Today we are going to discuss division of fractions. Division of a whole number by a fraction. Let us find 1 divided by 1 by 2. 1 is a whole number divided by 1 by 2. 1 is a whole number divided by 1 by 2. So divided by 1 divided by 1 by 2, you are able to see here 1 into, division is nothing but the multiplication. By what we have to multiply? The reciprocal of the fraction which is in the divisor place. So 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 into 2 by 1, where 1 into the reciprocal of 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So 1 into 2 by 1. The result is 1 into 2 by 1, which is, we know how to multiply 1 into 2, whole number into numerator, 1 into 2, 2 by 1, which is equals to 2. You see the circle is made 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 2 halves they made. So the result is 1 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 1 into 2 by 1, which is 2, which is equals to 2. Here, what is the reciprocal? How to get the reciprocal? How to get the reciprocal? Reciprocal of a fraction is obtained when the numerator becomes the denominator and vice versa. When the numerator becomes denominator and vice versa. So the number 2 by 1 can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator of 1 by 2 or by inverting 1 by 2. Means if it is 2 by 1, we can get as 1 by 2. If it is 3 by 1, we write as 1 by 3. So reciprocal meaning is what? Just interchanging, or the product of two numbers is 1. Each of the fraction is called as the reciprocal of the other. Here we have one more definition. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. So reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. Reciprocal of 9 by 5 is 5 by 9. Reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. So we are discussing division of a whole number. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. So we have seen, now you see in the 7 divided by 2, 2 by 5. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? 5 by 2. So we just multiply 7 into 5 by 2, then we get the answer. And while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction and then solve it, and then we have to solve it. So first we are discussing how to divide a whole number with a fraction. It may be an improper, or it may be a proper, or it may be a mixed number. How to? First we have to find the reciprocal. If it is a proper or improper, we find the reciprocal, then we multiply. If it is a mixed number, then we multiply with the reciprocal. First we convert that improper fraction, then we will multiply with the reciprocal. If it is a mixed number, converting into improper. Let us discuss some examples on this. Now you see, division of a whole number by a fraction. Division of a whole number by a fraction. So example, whole number by a fraction. 4 is a whole number divided by 1 by 2. So what is the reciprocal? That's what we have discussed the point. We have to multiply by the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? That is 2 by 1. Multiply. So 4 into reciprocal is 2 by 1. How you got this 2 by 1? Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Now which is equals to, as we know, 4 into 2 by 1 which is equals to 8 by 1. Therefore 4 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 8. 4 into 2 by 1. How we got this 2 by 1? The reciprocal of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal, that is 2 by 1. Interchanging the numerator to denominator. With a non-zero number, the denominator should not be, listen carefully, 0 by 1. If you interchange 1 by 0, it is not. 1 by 0 is indeterminate form. That's why reciprocal, a non-zero fractions. Non-zero fractions, if you multiply, the product should remain as 1. Each one is called as the reciprocal of the other of those two fractions. Here we see one more example. 4 divided by 1 by 2. Now another example you see. 5 is a whole number divided by 7 by 9. 5 is a whole number divided by 7. 7 by 9. So this is the whole number. This is a proper fraction. So 5 into, what is the reciprocal of 7 by 9? Interchange the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Just interchange. 7 by 9 reciprocal is, yes, you are right, that is 9 by 7. So 9 by 7. But how you got this 9 by 7? Again and again, you should not get confusion. So that's the reason we are writing in the bracket reciprocal of 7 by 9 is 9 by 7. 7 by 9 is 9 by 7. Now you know how to multiply a whole number to a fraction. We discussed in the earlier class. 5 into 9, whole number into the numerator by denominator. 5 9s are 45 by 7. Again you can convert this 45 by 7 into mixed fraction. If you do right division, I am doing here. 45 if you divide with 7, 6 are 42, 3 remains. So which is equals to 6, 3 by 7. So 5 divided by 7 by 9, answer is equals to 6, 3 by 7. What we are discussing? Division of a whole number by a fraction. Whole number by a fraction. Whole number by a fraction. So we are taking, in spite of doing division, we are multiplying. By what you are multiplying? The reciprocal of the number which is at divisor place. The reciprocal of the fraction which is at divisor place. Reciprocal of the fraction which is at divisor place. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. With that we are multiplying. Reciprocal of 7 by 9 is 9 by 7. With that we are multiplying. This is how we find the division of a whole number by a fraction. A whole number by a fraction. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Let us see now division of a fraction, division of a whole number by a mixed fraction. So in the division of a fraction, we discussed but division of a whole number by a fraction. Now we are discussing division of a whole number by a mixed fraction. Procedure is same, but only the thing is here mixed fraction means first you have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. You have to convert into improper fraction. So mixed fraction, first you need to convert into improper. Then the procedure is same. Let us see the example. Example 5 divided by 2 1 by 4. This is a mixed number and here it is whole number. So first you convert this into improper. So 5 divided by, how to convert improper fraction you know, 4 into 2 plus 1. For the product of 4 into 2 plus 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 7, 5 divided by 9, 7, 9 by 7. So mixed number 2 1 by 4 we converted into improper fraction, that is 9 by 7. This is a mix, this is improper, converting into improper. Now the procedure is same, multiply with the reciprocal. So 5 into, what is the reciprocal of 9 by 7? That is 7 by 9. So reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. What is here? Mixed number converted into, this is not, sorry, 2 1 by 4. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4. So 9 by 4. Here also 9 by 4 is 4 by 9. 9 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 9. I'm sorry here. So 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Very sorry. 9 by 4. So 9 by 4. 2 1 by 4 is equals to 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 5 into 4. Now we know the product how to do. 5 into 4 by 9. 5 4s are 20. 20 by 9. 20 by 9. This again you can convert into mixed number. 9 2s are 18. So 2 by 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. This is how we find. Let us see one more example. Be careful while converting mixed number to improper. As I did a mistake, it was 4 but I have written as 7. So you have to be careful by converting it to improper. Let us see one more example. That is 11 divided by 11 is a whole number, and 3 2 by 9. 3 2 by 9 is a mixed number. So first step is what? We have to convert mixed number into improper fraction. Then the procedure is same for the reciprocal. You have to find out. Then you have to multiply. So 11 divided by, convert this. 9 is at 27. 27 plus 2. 29 by 9. 9 is at 27. 27 plus 2. 29 by 9. Which is 3 2 by 9 is equals to 29 by 9. Mixed number converted into improper fraction. Mixed number we converted into improper fraction. Now the procedure is same. We have to find the reciprocal of 29 by 9. We have to find the reciprocal of 29 by 9. So 11, instead of division we do multiplication into 29 by 9. 29 by 9. So reciprocal is 9 by 29. So that is reciprocal of 29 by 9 is 9 by 29. Now which is equals to multiply 11 into 9 and write the denominator, which is 99 by 29. 99 by 29. Now this you can convert into an improper fraction to mixed number. So 99 if you divide it to 29, 29 for 3 table. So 29 into 3 times, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, plus 2 8. So 29 into 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, plus 87. If you take 4, 4 9s are 32, 4 2s are, it will be beyond 99. So minus 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. So which is equals to, we can write here 312 by 90. Quotient 312 by 19. Observe it. 9 minus 8. 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 8. So 29. This is 29. 312 by 29 is the final answer when you divide. Is it clear? Mixed number. A whole number by a mixed number. Here division of a fraction by a whole number. Till now we have discussed a whole number by a fraction. Now fraction by a whole number. That is, so example we see similar process. Division of a fraction 4 by 5. divided by 3. What is 3? 3 is also a fraction. We can represent 3 by 1. So reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. 3 by 1 can be written for this. 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 1. Now reciprocal of this is 4 by 5 into reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. That is reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. So 4 into 1. As we know how to multiply numerator to numerator fractions. Both the numerators by both the denominators. So 4 into 1 by 5 into 3. So 4 into 1, 4 by 15. Therefore 4 by 5 divided by 3 is equals to 4 by 15. 4 by 15. How to find a whole number? Whole number by a fraction we verified. Fraction by a whole number. You see 4 by 5 divided by 3. 3 is a whole number. So for this reciprocal is, we can write first 3 by 1. Then the reciprocal is 1 by 3. Let us see one more example with this. That is 9 divided by 9 by 7 divided by 5. 9 by 7 divided by 5. So 9 by 7 first we will write as 5 by 1. 5 by 1. Now reciprocal 9 by 7 into reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5, which is reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. Now you see here 9 into 1, both the numerators will multiply and both the denominators will multiply. 7 into 5. So 9 into 1, 9 by 35. Therefore 9 by 7 divided by 5 is equals to 9 by 35. Clear? Now a whole number I said. Suppose if you have here one more example, you see 2 by 11 divided by 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. Is it possible? No. 0 by 1 can be written, but no reciprocal for 0. No reciprocal for 0. Is it clear? So, can't 2 by 11 divided by 0 can't define. This is very, very important. A non-zero number, non-zero whole number. That's what non-zero whole number. So we don't have reciprocal for 0 by 1. That's why it is not. Is it clear? Now here we are going to see that division of a fraction by another fraction. So division of fraction by another fraction, it is just multiply the reciprocal of the divisor. Fraction should multiply by the reciprocal of the in order division of a fraction by another fraction. In order to divide a fraction by another fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. Which is the divisor here? 5 by 6 is the divisor. Which is the divisor? 5 by 6. So 1 by 3 into reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. And here terms gets cancelled. 1 by 3 and 6 by 5. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So product is 2 by 5. So while multiplying a fraction by another fraction, we just take the reciprocal of the divisor and we multiply the fraction. Let us see now one or two examples. Division of a fraction by another fraction. Like if it is example 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 5. 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 5. Which is the divisor here? Both the fractions. So divisor is this. For this we take the reciprocal. For this we take the reciprocal. So 4 by 7 into 9 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 9. So reciprocal of 9 by 5 is 5 by 9. Now we know how to multiply both the numerators, both the fractions. Numerators to numerators, denominators to denominators. So 4 into 5 by 7 into 9, which is 20 by 4 5s are 20, 7 9s are 63. Therefore, 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 5 is equals to 20 by 63. Is it clear, students? Let us see one more example. That is example 14 by 9 divided by 14 by 9 divided by here 7 by 3. Observe it. 14 by 9 divided by 7 by 3. Both are fractions. Which is the divisor? 7 by 3 is the divisor. For that, reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? 3 by 7. So 14 by 9 into 3 by 7. Here reciprocal of 3 by 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. We just multiply. Now you see, while multiplying itself, if any terms gets cancelled, like we can cancel, we can simplify, like cross like this, or both denominator to denominator, like this, vertically or like cross, we can cancel. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 7 1s are 7 2s are. What is left over here? 2 by 3 into 1 by 1, which is equals to 2 by 3. 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3. So therefore 14 by 9 divided by 7 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. 7 1s are 7 2s are, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 2 by 3 is the answer. You can find the product. Even if you find the product, this once again you see 14 by 9. Here I am explaining. 14 by 9 into 3 by 7. Without cancellation, we will get 14 3s are 42 by 9 7s are 63. 14 2s are 14 3s are 3 4s are 12. 42 9 7s are 63. Now we can cancel these two with the 7 table. You check it. 7 6 are 42, 7 9 are 63. Again 3 2s are 3 3s are. So finally you are getting 2 by 3. This way also you can simplify, or else you can cancel like this. Whichever you feel comfort, you can. I hope it is clear to you. Division of a fraction, whole number by a fraction, fraction by a whole number. If it is a mixed number, we need to convert it to improper. And fraction to a fraction, fraction by a fraction. How to divide? Fraction by a fraction. So whatever it is, the divisor plays, whichever the number, whether it is a whole number, whether it is a fraction. So you have to multiply, take the reciprocal. You have to take the reciprocal. You have to take the reciprocal. Here let us see exercise questions based on this. Exercise 2.4, question number 1, question number 3 and question number 4. We are finding the divisions. Here division of a whole number by a fraction. Division of a whole number by a fraction. So how to do? 12. Instead of division, we multiply with 4 by 3. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So reciprocal of now 12 into 4 by 3, which is 48 by 3. 12 into 4, 48 by 3. So 3 table you can cancel, 3 ones, 316, which is equals to 16. Therefore 12 divided by 3 by 4 is equals to 16. This is final answer. Here it is the mixed number. First step we have to convert into improper. So 5 divided by 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25 by 7, which is 3 4 by 7 is equals to 25 by 7. Now we know what is the reciprocal of 25 by 7. 7 by 25. So 5 into 7 by 25. As we know the reciprocal, we are multiplying with the reciprocal. So we can cancel 5 ones are 5 5s are, which is equals to whole 1 into 7 by 5, which is equals to 7 by 5. 7 by 5. You know how to convert into mixed number to improper? Mixed to improper. 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 25 by 7. Reciprocal of 25 by 7 is 7 by 25. So 5 ones are 5 5s. 1 into 7, 7 by 5. Reciprocal of 7 by 5 is an improper fraction. Convert it to mixed number 2 1 by 5. 1 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. Therefore 5 divided by 3 4 by 7 is equals to 1 2 by 5. Now let us see question number 3. Here is a whole number, here is a fraction. So whole number means 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1. Now 7 by 3 into reciprocal is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So 7 into 1, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, we find the product. 7 by 3 2s are 6. How to convert into mixed number? Divide. So 1 1 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Therefore 7 by 3 divided by 2 is equals to 1 1 by 6. You can convert. No. So conversion of mixed to improper, improper to mixed already we discussed. So I go directly here. Now question number 4. Both are mixed numbers you see. First convert both into improper. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 divided by 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3. First convert this into improper, convert this into improper. Now take the reciprocal of the divisor. 16 by 5 into 5 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 5 reciprocal. 3 by 5. So this is the reciprocal. You see, reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. So 16 into 3 by 5 into 5, which is 48 by 25. If you convert into mixed number, 25 ones are 25. Subtract, that is 23 by 25. So 25 ones are 25 plus 23, 48. So that is 3 1 by 5 divided by, therefore 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3 is equal to 123 by 25. Be careful while converting it to improper to mixed. Mixed to improper. 25 ones are 25 plus 23 is 48 by 25. Is it clear, students? So with this exercise 2.4, some of the questions I explained, leftover alternate questions you complete as a homework, and in question number 2 you have to find out the reciprocals. So that is reciprocal, just interchange numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Is it clear, students? So with this exercise 2.4 has completed. Thank you.